Freedom of speech is something that is preached around the world, especially in the liberal societies of the West. The Article 19 of Pakistan also does the same, but puts a lot of conditions on it at the same time. The article basically allows every citizen to exercise the freedom of articulation in the form of speech and expression. Along with that, it also acts as a bastion for the freedom of the press and all media in Pakistan. The whole article is very meticulously crafted, since in this article not only freedom of speech or expression is allowed, but also the freedom of press as well. As a result, that freedom of speech and expression via media is something that this article is actually pressing for. However, as soon the first sentence of this article ends with all the freedoms proposed and emphasized, the same article brings in the restrictions and limitations on the freedoms it presses in the first sentence. It specifies that restrictions shall be placed by law to stop any oration or expression that is against Islam or against the glory of Islam. Any above mentioned freedoms should not compromise the security of Pakistan as per law. Someone's opinion or articulation should not hamper the foreign relations of Pakistan with its friends. Also, it should not break the conventions of morality and decency, which are, of course, very hard to define at the first place. The expression should also not fall under the contempt of court at the same time. Lastly, the articulation through speech or any expression should not communicate violence and offense of any kind, nor it should be used to provoke and order any offensive material, any offensive act. It should not provoke violence that may go against the law under any condition. The article is a masterpiece since it brings abstractness by providing freedoms at first, then restraining them with the law. I hope you like our video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.